Hey all, morning to ya, Saturday, 8:45ish, and I'm off to get a stoplight bulb, because mine's blown. I've still got one in there, which is working, but they need two, so only one side's kind of lighting up, but it's not a run-of-the-mill bulb in these, it's a weird fitting, so I'm going to go to Honda and hopefully they'll have one in stock, but in general they have to order things, so I don't know if they'll have one or not. When I go there, unless it's a part that goes out a lot, they never have it. So I'm hoping that they will have a bulb. Because I can't pick it up just at Alfred's or somewhere like that, I don't think. So, yes, wish me luck. Anyway, nothing to talk about. I just brought the camera, as you do. One day next week, if the weather's up to it, I'm going to do the cam chain tensioner on this bike. I've waited for my holiday before I do it, but it's needed it for a while. I've already bought the CCT. I bought the Ape manual, the Ape manual tensioner. It's supposed to be the best one, better than the standard Honda one that keeps failing on the CBR. So yeah, that'll be fun, because you've got to take a lot of stuff off just to be able to get anywhere near it. So anyway, something to do that needs doing, has to be done. It really winds me out, especially when the engine's cold. It's, you know, how's it go? Yeah, you know, it's not the valves. Okay, it goes away after about 3,000, so it's definitely the CCT, and it's only marginal, you know, but I want to get it before it gets any worse. Okay, anyone else gonna go? No? Oh, there's one. You f***ing... So careful. Oh, that was good. One bulb, supplied and fitted, £1.79. Cheapest Honda part, official Honda part I've ever bought. And I told the geezer that and all. he looks at me like, okay. But, you know, Honda parts are very expensive. So, I bought two. Because, you know, always nice to have a spare. Yeah, you know, job done. No grief, just the way we like it. Sorry, I should say supplied and I fitted, not they supplied and fitted. It wouldn't have been £1.79, I'll tell you. Shall we? Oh, I think we shall. You know, when I was there, I saw this guy and he went, "Hello, Alex." That's me, right? And I was like, I know this guy, but I recognise him, but I don't know where I've seen him from. Okay, and I've only ever seen him at family gatherings now and again, and I know who he is now. He's my niece's other half, but I don't see him that often. But you know, that's just weird, yeah? It's like okay, I'm at a disadvantage here because you know me, and I know you, but I don't know you, if you know what I mean. I recognise you, but I don't remember your name. That's the worst thing, yeah? Especially when you're kind of related. I'm sure he'll forgive me. I think his name's Michael. I hope so. I've only met him about 6 times or something. So, yeah, excuse the randomly boring nature of this video. But, like I say, I know, I wasn't planning on doing anything as such. Yeah, on holiday from this coming Tuesday. Got to go work Monday because that's just the way things worked out. They nicked a day off me last Christmas for the day after Boxing Day. I was going to go to work and they said, "No, you got to take the day off." And I was like, "You cunning bastards." So I've had to work the Monday, otherwise it wouldn't work out, you know what I mean? I couldn't get that day to make it the whole 2 weeks, but I do have almost 2 weeks off, and for that I am extremely happy. And maybe if I'm really lucky I could find another job, eh? Wouldn't that be great? I did get my pay rise, if you're wondering. I know it took a while. He did say I had to wait until September. Well, I did get it, and it's not that bad, if I'm honest. It's yeah, it wasn't too bad. It was what's that? What was it in percentages? Maybe 10%. Yeah, actually more than 10%. So I'm reasonably happy with it, but I actually want a bit more. So I've asked him for more. I have. That sounds greedy, but I'm still underpaid for the job that I'm in. With what they expect of me, seems to have just, you know, they want more and more, but they're not willing to pay more and more for the extra workload. So I don't do the extra workload. Why should I? Unless they're willing to pay me. And if they're not, then why should I do it for free? Capiche? Comprende? Am I making sense? It's only fair, isn't it, to be... You have to be rewarded for doing the job. 135 miles this week going to work and back. It's not bad for a week's commute. But that means I've probably got about 20 miles before my reserve light comes up. It's pretty economical, you know. You can drive her hard, you can ride her hard or ride her gentle, and the difference in fuel economy is negligible. It probably equates a tank full riding hard, you'll get about 150, and riding sort of like this, you'll get about 170, 180 between reserve and reserve, which I think is actually quite good. So I'm expecting my reserve light to come on anywhere between 150 and 170. Hasn't it been very hot? Have you noticed how hot it's actually been? I'm sure you have. I can't... Bloody hell. I can't be the only one. Excuse me, I've been up since since 4 o'clock this morning, yeah. 10 to 4. Yeah, I know. I was at war and I was watching Deal or No Deal, yeah. God. Yeah, sometimes you just wake up and that's it. Yeah, you've got your missus snoring next to you and you're like, oh, off. Because she does snore, my Maggie, she does. She yeah, like that. That's the truth, and that's not, I'm not bullshitting you either, that is the truth. I have to nudge her over and make her lie on her side. Because she snores like a good one. Is that all you got? See if we can do this. There you go.